Hello, Neville. This is Kurt Molly here, fellow Austinite. I think you may already have access to the course, but thank you for the opportunity to look it over and possibly share it as well too. So let's give you a little test drive in here for those people who don't know who I am. My name is Kurt Molly, and I own a company called Black Box Social Media. It's basically a Facebook ad agency where we've spent millions of dollars in ads, and we documented the processes from going to masterminds and people asking us, hey, how are you growing businesses? So basically what we have is anybody can get started in learning how to advertise really with Facebook paid ads. So we have getting started, beginner, intermediate, and genius models all broken down, and I'll walk you through the course here pretty easily here in just a moment. Now, the other thing that we have as well too is other social media platforms we talk about with experts, live calls, other resources that we have, and the Insiders Club. So let's just take a look at this real quick. So if we jump in, for instance, like the Getting Started modules, each module will show how long each video is and where we start. And we always have access to what we call the Insiders Club, and that would be our forum I'll show you here in a minute. So if anybody has any questions, there is going to be a video and some downloadable docs. So for example, this video here is one of 5 videos. Get started, meet the team, find out who we are. Duration here is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. And basically what will happen is we have this mapped course. So the entire course is laying out very simply like this, so people can understand what level they're at. So I have people who will buy the course that have never started a Facebook ad or been on a fan page, or I have people who have already spent thousands of dollars, sometimes even thousands of dollars a day, and they jump right in the genius mode just because I can give them 1 or 2 strategies that can make a huge difference. So what we do, so here's some organic reach, videos real short.
Hey everybody, we're going to talk about organic Facebook.
One of the things that we do is we do a very quick 2-minute intro that really explains what we're going to be talking about next. That seemed to really help out our members. So if we take a look at intermediate, all we do is we're just jumping up another level. Our videos are a little bit longer, but we have them broken down, as you can see, into parts. We want to make sure it's easy and digestible. We also have a couple of other things. This is where it gets into the genius level. So some of these videos are a little bit longer, like up to an hour, because it's just really complex strategies. So the simple stuff, we start out with 5 to 7 minute videos. The medium gets a little bit longer. And then here's kind of gives you an idea of, okay, what about how would we scale Facebook ads, for example? So we have course map over here, and then if it corresponds with the learning lessons, we have like Facebook scaling strategies. So this would be our tips on like, okay, what are some of these next steps on how to scale ads so people can print it off and keep it as their own. The other thing is we interview a lot of experts on different ad platforms just to give people an exposure of what's possible. Since I spend a lot of these times in these masterminds, it's just a way for me to network and to also have really some great content that really helps out our core customer. And then here's all of our resources where people can download on how to create their own avatar worksheets, how they can, some people just like to write stuff down to really start figuring out their copy, or what are some of the ad copywriting toolkits things that we have, or how do you draw out an entire funnel so you can run ads. And then of course our Insiders Club is really just overall just a forum, right? People get to put their pictures in here in a directory, and then of course people can search in here. We had a Facebook group before. Facebook groups are great. The other thing is we always want to own the content in case it was ever to go away. So we like keeping everything inside of the forum in here. So again, that's Kurt Molly, Social Media Ad Genius 2.0. If you have any questions, please let me know. But other than that, thanks for the opportunity, Neville. Really appreciate it. And I'll send you some images to look over as well too. See you at the next Internet Marketing Party, Neville.